is I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to build a electric hydro water wheel. What I decided to do was I decided to use a couple of these mountain bike 10-speed wheels. It's going to be going like that. It'll be like that, and it'll be like that in between them. So it'll be looking like that, somewhat like that. These blades, and the blades will be going, kind of hard to do this one hand. The blades will be going, you'll be having blades, about 8 or 9 blades all around. I'll be using a trash can lid. It's a trash can lid. And that'll be going onto here. It'll be fastened onto here somehow, some way, there, and then we can use some zap straps or some wire, speaker wire that I have here. Speaker wire, flotation device. This will be great flotation once it's sealed at the bottom. These will be flotation devices. I completed the water wheel here, electric water wheel. I put the garbage can lids on the frame of the bicycle wheel, and I attached it. I had 2 holes here, and I drilled 2 holes to the plastic blades, and I just ran wire, speaker wire, any kind of wire lying around, and fitted in through, and then tied a knot. I should tie 2 knots. And this will last a very, very long time. We're talking not only one, right? Because this is going to be where the belt goes. Either one of these can be used as the belt. But hey, you can actually put 2 belts on here and 2 more generators on it. Okay? 2 generators. Pretty much everything that I showed you that you could find very, very easily. Right? Very, very easily. I got the frame done. The frame is put together. The only thing I'm missing, sealing them that way they're airtight, and one of these per left and right, or right and left, however you're looking at it through the video camera, and that'll be the buoyancy that'll keep it afloat. I'm over here that I haven't seen anybody do this on YouTube. I haven't seen anybody. Not at all. I don't know if you have, please let me be hitting that right out of the ballpark. But anyways, what we could do is we can attach 1 belt here and 1 belt here. And we can have 2 hoverboard motors. Now, here, I'm going to screw in some hooks, 1 here and 1 here in the front. That way you can attach rope to it. That way when you let it go, the current's taking it down the river, down the stream, wherever you may be putting it, it's taking it down there, and this will be connected with rope over here, and yeah, then you can stake it in the river, stake it wherever you want, stick it, stake it, put it, and when you want to take it out and remove it, just pull on the cord or the wire or the chain, whatever it may be, bring it back out if you need to inspect it, something's going wrong, whatever it may do. I have an idea also too. I'm creating this water wheel, this hydroelectric water wheel, is because why? It's because why not? I have never actually built one. I can, I will, I have, right? Just in case I may need it. In case I may need it one day. I have one. I can build a small one. I can build a bigger one. I can build a huge one, the size of a small vehicle, small EV vehicle. I mean, that would run your whole home. If you had access to the river and the water and a stream or a little waterfall, whatever it may be, or you may have something portable like this. Why not, right? You know what? You don't learn this in grade 7. You don't learn this in grade 8 or grade 9 or grade 10. You don't learn these things on how that you could be self-sufficient in creating your own electricity. I don't know why they don't teach you that. Well, hopefully YouTube and myself, we are teaching you, but the correct way, not the inefficient way, because I see a lot of water wheels, like what I said earlier. I see a lot of water wheels, but they're not efficient. I see a lot of people, they attach actually a pulley over here, or like another gear, a smaller gear, and they use that little gear right there attached to the hoverboard motor or the generator. And it's like, why? You just now shrunk the ratio. Instead of 24 or 27 or 30, you went now down to like 6 inches. Why do that, right? Anyways, I mean, like, not unless the river is just coming down like a banshee, right? Or, you know, windmills, where you got, you know, 45 45 kilometer an hour winds. Then the windmills are running. Other than that, everything is all wrong. They don't really work in low condition winds, like, you know, 12 kilometer an hour winds. They don't really work efficiently in 13, 15, 20 kilometer an hour winds. They don't, because those windmills that they sell, they're made for 35 to 45 minimum. That's minimum, right? Minimum. One of the hoverboard motors with a belt, and we can just do a test by just me spinning it like this and see what we're going to generate on voltage wise. See what we're going to get. You know, by me spinning it just like this, I know right away I know that we're going to be getting about you know, like 18 to 22 volts very easily, just by me going like this. And we can always step that up, right? We can always step that up, then step it down. But by using AC, then we can go down to using, you can rectify it, or you can just use the AC. Either way, your choice. But we'll see. All right, thanks. We'll stay tuned. Stay tuned.